today we're gonna unbox the Google ChromeCast. That's what it is. Jeez, right now it's pretty late. Yeah, right now it's 1:36 a.m. Damn, because I just came back from my we actually had a party for my brother's birthday, so we did that, and then I came back. So sorry about I'm kind of whispering, but I don't want to wake up at anyone, and get in trouble. Be like, yo, I said that out, man. Nobody cares about your reviews, man. So let's check it out, man. See what this ChromeCast is about. I didn't get I got the cheaper one. So there's two editions of ChromeCast. There's the basic ChromeCast, which is around, with taxes, like around like $65 or $55, something like that, Canadian. And then they have the ChromeCast Ultra, which is a little more, the 100 plus. Alright, we'll just sit down on the ground. It's easier, brown style. That's what it is, bro, brown style, man. Got the box right here. What it is. Canada Post. It came fast. So that's it, bro. Right out the box, man. That's it. Google Chromecast. What it is. So it's got YouTube, Netflix, Crave, CBC, Spotify. It basically says 1,000 plus Android and iPhone apps. That's pretty crazy, man. And basically, like, you use your phone as a remote, and then you can also like use your voice to control the TV, but you need a Google Home with that. So that's how that works. Let's open this up, see what's up, man. Jeez, have you guys seen that? Pretty cool, pretty cool. That's what it is. Wow, it's pretty simple. So that's the ChromeCast right there. Pretty cool color. It's like a charcoal color. And it has the HDMI port right there. Pretty good quality, pretty good build quality too. That's pretty sick. It's kind of dusty, but it has a charger. Got the wire right here. Pretty cool. That's it, bro. That's it, man. So I guess you plug it in at HDMI and keep it charging as well. I'm not too sure. Got the Google booklet. Solid, really. So yeah, basically you have to keep it plugged in as on the TV as well as for the charger. So it has to do both. It's another booklet here. Let's see what it's about. See if my TV can play some music. Jeez, Google Music. Oh shit. I woke up everyone, man. That's that. That's how it looks like. This is home. And then you can play music, broadcast, and add more devices. You just see in the bottom they have these cool things. This is the discover, and then they have this play button, and that's where the YouTube is. And it has Spotify, YouTube already. You can add Netflix, and yep, that's it, man. So that's basically right there. So I just went on Crave, and then I just clicked that button right there is to cast it. So, and then it says cast to dining room TV, and then see what happens. That's pretty crazy. Got a crate right there. This is how it looks on my phone. And you can just forward through it like that, and you can pause it and all that cool stuff. Also, I found like another cool thing. So you guys, so you say, okay Google. Hey Google. Okay, it's not working. But just click on the mic and say turn off TV. That's crazy. So just turn off the TV, but let's say click the mic again, turn on TV. Turn on TV. It says sure, but like it won't turn it on. So then I can tell her to turn off the TV, but it won't turn on. I hope you guys enjoyed, and that's the unboxing of the Chromecast and a little glimpse of how you set it up and how it works, and it's pretty neat. So hopefully you guys like that. Subscribe and like, comment, and share. Let everyone know. Peace.